This could be the car for you. The 2017 Honda CR-V. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this stylish and up-for-anything CR-V. Its innovative design, premium feel, all-weather capability, and advanced safety and connectivity technology sets the standard for small SUVs and crossovers. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. What are you waiting for? Take the wheel of this sophisticated and powerful Honda CR-V and let the adventures begin.